Well, we're back with the Hilux, part 2. We got some nice gold spray painted wheels. This is clean as it ever probably will be. We upgraded to the chrome grille, and we lowered it as much as we can go with the torsion bar. So that's the first torsion bar after I cleaned it up, and it's pretty much max height. And there's the other one. And here's the torsion bar now, pretty much as max as it could go. Don't want to go any more than that. We're actually out in Washington State now. Drove it all the way from Arizona. Yeah, so 3-inch blocks were fairly simple. Actually got them thanks to Advanced Auto Parts. Other than that, I'm currently working on the new custom door panels right now, but we got the dash in. The nice Amazon or eBay dash cover, Kenwood radio, the RPM gauge, everything I read, it's garbage, the original stock one. So I pulled the RPM gauge and I hardly bumped the needle and it literally snapped off. So I'll probably just glue a toothpick on there or something if it works. So I got her all hooked up, and connect power. Okay. Thanks to AutoZone, custom crafted a RPM gauge to fit in there. But other than that, I'm currently wet sanding to give it a Latina look, just until it actually gets paint. But other than that, it's just pretty much door panels, some bucket seats, and paint, and this build will be done. Thanks for watching.